Pythagoras Theorem. We use Pythagoras theorems only in a triangle that has a 90 degree. We call that a right angle triangle. Okay, so here we have a right angle drawing of right angle triangle here. So the thing about right angle triangle is that there's a corner that is 90 degree. Here, this is labeled in a red line here. This angle is your 90 degree. Okay, so the special thing about a right angle triangle is that there is a 90 degree. And in this right angle triangle, we can apply your Pythagoras theorem. Okay, another thing that you want to know about this right angle triangle is that there's a very special side called the hypotenuse. Okay, the hypotenuse is the longest side of it. How do you spot the longer side? The longer side is always opposite your right angle here, your 90 degree. See, the 90 degrees here is directly opposite. So being able to spot the hypotenuse is very important for you to learn this theorem. So remember that. And hypotenuse, for the word hypotenuse, maybe we'll label it here. So for our drawing here, this length C, this side here, we call it C, this length is our hypotenuse, the longer side. Okay, so and of course this triangle here is our right angle triangle, a triangle that has a 90 degree, a right angle triangle. And what is our Pythagoras theorem? Here comes the main formula. Okay, and this is the formula that you're supposed to remember by heart. You'll be using it almost anywhere, whether it's in your Emacs or in your Amacs. And how does the theorem go? It simply says that these two shorter sides, we call it the length A. This length here, we call it length A. The shorter length, another shorter length here is length B. Okay, you call it A here or B here, doesn't matter. These two can be interchanged, it doesn't matter because they are on the same side anyway. So the square of this length A plus the square of this length B is equal to the longer side. This longer side is staying alone on one side and it's a square. So your two shorter side square add up is equal to your longer side square. Usually in the questions, two of these three numbers will be given. So A, B, C, two of them will be given. One will be missing for you to find. And remember, in order to apply Pythagoras theorem, there must be a 90 degree in the triangle. We call this kind of triangle a right angle triangle, and must spot the hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is always opposite your 90 degree in your right angle triangle.